Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we're going to remove the lower splash guard on this CRV 09. It's missing all the push pins in the front. If we had them, I'd remove them, but I'm going to go in the other sequence of how to remove the rest of it. You have to go in the fender well to get, there's two clamps up here. There's one here, push pin, and one here. So I'm going to use my body clip tool and I'm just going to pry them out. There's one. And there's two. So these other push pins I'm noticing are broken. Someone broke the head off of them. So obviously that's going to be really impossible to grab. So this one was accessible from up below and I just pushed down hard with my tool like that and it came right out. There's another one in here that the head's broken on it. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to it to push a pin out, so I'm going to grab like a pair of needle nose, whatever works for you. Gotta just really use your ingenuity. There we go. There's also a 10mm head bolt that goes through the plastic. And it's not uncommon for these, for the clamp to spin on the other side, which this one is doing. I can feel it. I lucked out. I got it with my hand. You might have to put a pair of pliers up in there. I got it. See, the clamp was broken. The plastic broke right off. So I got to hold that enough to spin it out. And now we're just going to repeat the same exact locations on the passenger side. So once you remove that last bolt, you can pull down your undercarriage shield and set it aside. So we're going to reinstall our under frontage shroud. So this goes under this front plastic. When I received it, it wasn't in the proper place. You have little air eyelets that go in place here, and they snap in. You see a lot of these hanging down on people, on their cars and stuff. I mean, it's plastic, and you know, we got our great roads of New England with potholes that are wicked on the cars. I'm going to try to use some of our salvage plastic push pins, at least hold it up in place. Yeah, now it's held in place. And I'll just use plastic ties and see if I can maneuver, fit them in there. Or I can go buy some push pins. If it's broken, like this one's broken, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a flat edge screwdriver. And I'm going to try to pry it open. Get the plastic piece that's broken out of there. I just want to salvage this enough so that it will try to keep it up. There's 3 plastic ends here, so I'm going to slide it right through one of them here and see if I can get it to stay, so we can try to keep the edge up here. It's going to be easier than fishing a plastic tie through. Be careful not to pinch your fingers. You have to go with the vehicle then.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.